Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a little tutorial on these island twists. I got this idea from this hairstylist on Instagram. I have a inspo picture right here. I was like, I gotta try this hairstyle. It's so cute, so versatile. I did do them like really small, but they're so full. They're so freaking lightweight. Like, I just came from having braids in my head, so this is like such relief. You can like style these right off the break because they're like tension free. So yeah, love this style. I'm so happy with the results, and if you want to see how I achieve this style, then just keep on watching. For the supplies, I used 3 packs of the Jamaican twist braid hair in the color 1B, and then I also used this human hair. It's already cut off the weft, which I love, and it's so easy to feed in. It's the Encore La Vie bulk remedy quality. No, Remy, that says Remy. I really just said remedy. And then we're going to need some scissors, some clips, some super glue with nail glue, shine and jam, and a comb. Hey there, so I just left 2 pieces out in the front so I can show y'all really quickly how to do this style because it's so super easy. I'm going to start by combing out the hair that I want to use as my baby hair so I don't twist it up in the style. And then we're just going to use some shine and jam to lay down the roots and to make everything look super sleek and clean. Take 1 piece of the Jamaican twist braid hair and split that into 2. So I only use a half of piece of the hair for each twist, and this is how I was able to only have to use 3 packs of the Jamaican twist braid hair. So you're going to start by braiding the Jamaican twist hair onto your real hair. So once you get down like braid it down like 3 or 4 times, you split your real hair into 2, take some more shine and jam, and start to twist the hair down. Once I twist down about another good 4 times, I take a piece of the human hair and I'm going to take that and start to twist it in. So you just literally loop it in like in between, twist each side, and then start to twist down a little bit to secure it. Then you take the long piece and clip it up so that way it can stick out of the twist, and I just clip that up with one of those silver clips. Then I take some more shine and jam and just start to twist down some more all the way until I get towards the end of the twist. Once I reach about right here, I'm going to put a clip on the end of the twist while I grab some more human hair. Now I'm going to take the clip off, and I'm going to try and show you guys in the best way I can, but I braid the human hair onto the end of the twist, and I braid it down a couple times. Then I'm going to take the long piece of the human hair and clip it back so that way I don't accidentally twist that part down. Then I take the remaining hair at the bottom, split that into 3, and start braiding that down just a little bit. Here's how it should look when it's done. You should have the piece of the long curly piece hanging out, and then the bottom part that we're going to cut most of it off. Go ahead and grab your nail glue because we're going to be securing this before we cut off the extra twist hair at the bottom. We're going to be securing it with the nail glue so that way this truly lasts a long time. After the nail glue has dried, you want to go ahead and cut off that raggedy end with the twist hair, and it should look like this when you're done. I just go ahead and clean up the rest of the twist as well to make sure everything looks super neat and nice. Then I'm just going to show y'all one more time on the last piece that I had. We're going to be smoothing the roots with the Shine and Jam. Take the other half of that hair that you broke off earlier, and we're going to start by braiding it onto our real hair. Our real hair is going to be the third piece of the braid, and then the other two are going to be the Jamaican twist braid hair. So braid it down about 4 times, and then you're going to split your hair in half, making it 2 sections. Add some more Shine and Jam, and then just twist down about 4 to 5 times. Take another piece of the human hair, and we're going to twist that in. After we twist that down a couple times, I'm going to take the long piece of the human hair and clip that up so that way it can pop out of the twist. Then we're going to take the rest of the hair and keep twisting down, making sure that we're adding a good amount of Shine and Jam to blend our real hair in with the twist. Then I'm going to add the human hair to the end, and I'm going to braid it in like so, making 3 pieces, and braid it down about 4 to 5 times until it's secure. I'm going to clip the long piece of the human hair up and then split the bottom portion into 3 pieces and start to braid that down again about 4 or 5 times. Then I'm going to take some super glue to secure the human hair at the end, and then let that dry before cutting off the raggedy end part of the twist. Lastly, I'm just going to clean up the twist, cutting off any extra hairs that are sticking out or anything so it looks super clean. And yeah, this is so cute. I love this style, but before we're finished, we're going to go ahead and do the edges to complete the look. And we are done. I'm not gonna lie, this did take me about 8 hours, but I told you guys I did the parts kind of small, so it's completely up to you, but it's so versatile. I was even able to do this half up, half down hairstyle right after I was done. Super low tension, and I absolutely love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.